with be going to. How to form the future with be going to. In the affirmative statement or in affirmative sentence, we have to use verb to be. Am with I, is with he, she, or it, or any singular noun, are with you, we, they, or any plural noun. Like what? I'm going to help my mother. So I have to use am, is, are, plus going to, plus verb in infinitive without adding anything. I am going to help my father. We have here am and going to, and help here, it's the verb in infinitive without adding anything. The snow is going to melt. The snow is going to melt. The verb in infinitive. Number 3, we are going to travel to England. Are going to travel. The verb in infinitive. What about the negative statement? For sure, it's the easiest way. We have to put, in the negative, we have to put not. Negative, we have to put not. Where the helping verb that we are going to put not with am, is, or are, plus not. Going to, and also the verb in infinitive. We can write am not, isn't, or aren't. For example, they are not going to visit Alexandria. Are not going to, and the verb in infinitive, visit. I am not going to eat fish. Am not going to, and the verb in infinitive. He isn't going to throw away his old phone. Is not going to, throw, the verb in infinitive. Throw away his old phone. And now we are going to talk about the question form. The question form that we have are two kinds of question. The interrogative that we use yes or no question in the answer, and the question words. In the first question, yes or no question, we are going to use am, is, or are, plus subject, going to, plus the verb in infinitive. For example, are they going to win the race? The question using am, is, or are, so the answer is going to be yes or no. When we answer using yes or no, we are going to make cross. Yes, they are. We are going to, here we started using are, and after that they, but here we are going to start using they, and after that are. Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. And also cross, starting with they and after that are. And if we have no here, we have to put not. What about the WH question? We are going to start using question word plus am, is, or are, subject, going to, and the verb in infinitive. For example, how is she going to help the environment? How is she going to, and the verb in infinitive, help the environment. I'm talking about here the way, how is she going to help the environment? So the answer will be, or we will use in the answer also be going to and the verb in infinitive. And now we are going to ask and answer questions about future plans using what? Be going to plus infinitive. Asking and answering questions about future plans, يعني something in the future. برضو am, is, are, going to plus infinitive بتعبر عن ال future. What are you doing this afternoon? It will help me in the dialogue also. I am visiting my friend. Something I will do it. Intention or prediction. What are you doing at the weekend? I am meeting my cousin. خلاص أنا كلمته وظبطت معاه الميعاد. What is Judy doing this evening? Judy is playing tennis this evening. And now asking and answering questions about or on environmental problems. Environmental problems. What sort of environmental problems do you think is in Wadi Rum? What sort of environmental problems? يعني إيه sort here means kind or type. What are the environmental problems that or do you think is in Wadi Rum? I think the tourists have rubbish in the desert when they go trekking. Also, the hunters, we have 2 or 3 problems. Let's remember together. The first problem is the rubbish in the desert. The second problem is the hunters kill the desert animals. As a result, there is less wildlife now. And also using a lot of water because of their staying in hotels.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.